Hey, it's Ryan. Let's practice verse 2 of Birds of a Feather. Now, this is going to be a pretty long practice video because we're going at 15% speed and doing 8 bars of practice. So I'm not going to do a recap. If you need a refresher, go back and watch the tutorial video. But let's go ahead and get started and work on this folk strum pattern that's super useful and super fun and super cool. We're at 15.8 beats per minute. Here we go. Put the pointer back down. And when I'm strumming these chords, I'm really trying to have a lot of control with my strumming hand so that I'm not hitting that high G string, that high G note, excuse me. Which is also really great practice for our strumming hand, is having control of not just going across all the strings, but being very intentional about where we want that last string to be strummed. But then when you get into it, it doesn't really matter that much. D minor 9. If your pinky finger starts hurting from holding that note out forever, just go ahead and lift it off. It also sounds beautiful. To G sus. Here we go. And on the C. I'm going to turn that flute down just a little bit more. We're starting on that C chord. Here we go. Remember to keep that hand moving down and up as though you were strumming. That's a big secret to this folk strum pattern. G sus 4. C. Not sure why the program's not moving back to the first bar, but we are going to be starting on C every time. sus4. Great job, everybody. We are working on this drum pattern, and it's going to be a great strum pattern for you to use. Nice and loose, nice and relaxed. We are almost halfway there. It can be pretty relaxing to listen to this, even at slower speeds. Be a really good strum pattern for songwriting. Turn up the flute. When you feel comfortable, try to see if you can close your eyes and do this at the same time. Sorry that the tab is wrong on the D minor 9. That middle finger goes up a string. It is not an open G string. That is a 2nd fret on the G string right there. Here we go, and... you kind of start feeling the accent on the beat 4 and the beat 1. 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 in that millennial pattern. It's not 4 1, but you know what I mean. All right, now sing along if you feel comfortable. Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. And from here, just feel it out. 2, cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. 2, cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. 2, cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Alrighty. Great job, everybody. This was quite the practice video. If you went through all of it, you've really put in your time for your guaranteed guitar growth, and I'm super excited for you for that. And I don't know what else to say, so I'll just see you in the next one.